welcome to Chief Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today's tip is about a long existing product that we have just now picked up across the catalog and internet and stuff like that. This is actually Mod Podge, which I'm sure many of you have probably used or at least heard of. Mod Podge is mostly considered to be like a collage glue, which it is, but did you know that you can also use it as a varnish or a sealant or just as a glue all by itself, you know, instead of just traditional Elmer's or something like that. But Mod Podge has a lot of like interesting characteristics that some other collage media doesn't, in that it's actually buildable, so you can put multiple layers up to get like all kinds of different finishes. You can actually sand Mod Podge to like adjust the finish and stuff like that if you want to. You know, yes, it's non-toxic and it's water soluble and stuff like that, which is also great because it means that you can use your, decent brushes and not have to worry about trashing them. So you don't have to have like a garbagey chip brush around just to toss in the garbage anytime that you use these. So it's easy to clean up, it's easy to use, it dries fast. I have used it for years and it is wonderful. There's a past video where I was talking about like embellishing your sketchbooks, where this product is featured. We at Cheap Joe's carry 2 finishes, the gloss or the luster or the matte. They also have like an outdoor Mod Podge, and then a couple of others like bulletproof Mod Podge. I don't know, like something like that. But they have a couple of different other kinds. We're primarily just carrying these 2 for right now. But they are really, really wonderful. If you haven't tried it, it's really, really low cost for fantastic results and fantastic versatility. These do all kinds of great things and can be used in all kinds of different capacities. So if you haven't tried it, pick up some Mod Podge today right here at Cheap Joe's, because we know that you will enjoy.